Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, and in this class we are understanding and we are covering codes of law. So under section 6 to 25 of Criminal Procedure Code, so CRPC is for Criminal Procedure Code, deals with constitution of criminal courts and offices. So codes of law are of two types. So basically we have two types. First one is civil and the other one is criminal. And in this class we are going to understand criminal codes of India, and they are of four types. And section 6 to 25 deals with the criminal codes and offices. Clear? So as I said that we have four types of criminal codes. So first we have is the Supreme Court, the High Court, the Sessions Court, and Magistrate Courts. So one by one we will understand these important and different codes of criminal courts. Okay, so first one is Supreme Court. Everyone have heard about Supreme Court, and this is the highest judicial body of our country. So Supreme Court is the highest judicial tribunal, and it is located in New Delhi. Okay, it is located in New Delhi. And Supreme Court, if Supreme Court is giving some result, or we can say if Supreme Court is giving some judgment, then it has to be applied, or it has to be received. Okay, there is no other court where we can appeal, right? This is the highest body, and we have to follow the judgment of Supreme Court. It has power and supervision all over all courts of India. The law declared by it is binding on all courts. Okay, the Article 134 of Constitution of India is related with Supreme Court of India. This information is really very important. Then we have High Court. So if someone is having some judgment of High Court, we can appeal that, like we can appeal again in Supreme Court if any person or any party feels like the judgment is not correct. So we can apply to Supreme Court, but Supreme Court is the highest body, so we cannot apply somewhere else. So next we have High Court. Okay, it is usually located in the capital of every state. So we have multiple states, right? So in all states there is one High Court. Okay, so for one state we will have one High Court, and it is the highest tribunal of the state under Article 214 of Constitution of India. It may try to offense and pass any sentence authorized by the law under section 28(1) CRPC. Okay, judges of High Court are appointed by the President of India. Really very important. Supreme Court and High Courts acts as the court of appeal only in criminal cases. So only in criminal cases we can appeal in High Court and Supreme Court in criminal cases, and do not held trial prima facie. Okay, so that's about High Court, Supreme Court, and High Court. These are the two extreme prestigious law bodies of India. Then we have the Sessions Court. So it is established by the state government. Okay, it is established by the state government under section 9 of CRPC, and it is usually located at the district headquarters. Okay, so all the like small and big cases will first held in Sessions Court, and then it can go to High Court and then Supreme Court. So the Sessions Court is really very important. It is usually located at the district headquarters. It can only try cases which have been committed to try by a magistrate, and it comes under section 193 of CRPC. It can pass any sentence which is authorized by the law. It can pass sentence authorized by the law, but a sentence of death passed by it must be confirmed by the High Court. So if there is some judgment which is like death sentence or capital punishment, then it must be confirmed by the High Court. Okay, all the other judgments are acceptable and are passed by Session Court except capital punishment. It is really very important to confirm it in High Court, and it comes under section 28(2) in section 366 of CRPC. Okay, district courts deals with civil cases. Okay, so in Session Court we have criminal cases, and district court will deal with Civil cases. In civil cases, we have property dispute, land dispute, will dispute, some dispute on checks, or property dispute, or divorce cases, etc. An assistant session court can pass sentence of imprisonment up to 10 years and with unlimited fine under section 28(3) CRPC. Okay. Next, we have magistrate courts. So magistrates are of three types. Okay. So different types of magistrate. First is Chief Justice. First one is Chief Judicial Magistrate. Okay. Section 12 CRPC, Chief Judicial Magistrate. Then we have First Class Judicial Magistrate. Okay. First class judicial magistrate, and then we have second class judicial magistrate. In metropolitan cities with more than 1 million population, the chief judicial magistrate and first class judicial magistrate are designated as chief metropolitan magistrate and metropolitan magistrate respectively under section 8, 17, 18 and 19 CRPC. Session judges and magistrates are appointed by the High Court. Who appoints them? High Court appoints them. When a person is convicted at one trial for two or more offences, twice the amount of punishment which a magistrate is authorized and can be passed under section 31 of CRPC. So if someone is like if someone is committing crimes again and again and trial is held, and in one trial there can be two and more, if there is two or more offenses, then the punishment will be twice, and this thing is passed or authorized by the magistrate under section 31 of CRPC. So these are four important courts. Okay, and we have four important types of courts, and we have three types of magistrates. Okay, so these are the important information. So I hope this lecture is helpful to you. If this is helpful, you can click the like button. You can subscribe to our channel for more such videos and lectures. Share this video with your friends, juniors and seniors, and see you guys in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.